Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're gonna show you how to replace the trunk lid latch on a Hyundai. So once you open the trunk lid, you have this panel right here that needs to come off. We have over here removed this, as you can see. So this got these plastic retainers all around. Got one there and down there, so we have a few of those all along the perimeters, and this is how they look like. So you need to use a Phillips screwdriver to just turn this just a little bit. Now once it pops out, then you just remove the whole thing. You can see like that. So these are very easy to come off. So once you take that off, then you have the trunk latch right here. And let's take a look at how you remove that. Okay, so here the first thing you need to do is disconnect the electrical connector. You'll press this right here and then pull this down. Okay, next, this cable right here for the trunk release, we need to remove that. And then we'll use flat screwdriver first. We're gonna pop it up off this channel right here. And then it's got this bowl at the end of the cable. So you just move this up and out. And then once we get this out of the way, we have these two 10mm bolts right here that need to come off. Okay. And that's it. That's off. Now you simply reinstall in reverse order. One thing to keep in mind is that these latches, you can see the holes right here, they're a little bit of a channel, and the reason why that is that you can adjust this a little bit to the left and right. So if the trunk lid is not closing properly, you might need a little bit of adjustment here. So the next thing is we need to reconnect the cable right here. First we put this bowl in, and then we slide this in the channel. And then come here, you press that in, and that's it. Now you want to just close this, make sure that it's closing properly, it doesn't hit on the hinge down there. But once that's done, you can go ahead and put in this panel. Thank you for watching.